What is going on, everybody? It is the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with another video. In today's video, I have this kind of a buy alert slash just technical analysis video, whatever you want to call it, just on a coin that is looking really good right now, and that is binance-coin. And I am using the Tether pairing. If you use the Bitcoin pairing, it's a similar outlook, but a little bit different. But I am using the Tether pairing because I don't sell Bitcoin, I sell Tether or US dollar. Just because, you know, that's how I am as a crypto enthusiast. But yeah, this is Binance Coin, and this is a coin that I really feel has a lot of potential. And I'm going to go over a few reasons why I am really happy with the outlook of this coin right now. Firstly, we're going to go over DMI. Now, DMI is an indicator I haven't really covered a lot on the channel. It's a little bit more advanced. It's kind of like a super upgraded RSI. And if you would like to see a tutorial on how to use DMI, make sure you subscribe and comment below that you want to see that tutorial, because I would be happy to cover it. Now, DMI is basically like I said, a really upgraded RSI. And here's the thing about DMI, there's a lot of different ways to look at it versus with RSI, there's really only one or two ways to look at it. But DMI, this green crossing going above the red and above the black is a really good sign. One thing to look for is you don't want the black to get too high. If the black line gets too high, which that's the ADX, if the ADX gets too high and it touches 50, that's typically a sign to sell, but it's not too high. And the green line, which we have as the plus D, is above the red line. So that is a really good sign. I'm going to make a separate video on how to use DMI, so if I'm not explaining it very well, you know, forgive me, but I don't want to spend this whole video explaining how to use DMI. But basically, the gist of it is this green line going above the red line is a really good sign. So as far as DMI goes, I'm really happy with that. The second big thing is that Binance Coin, BNB, is holding support at the 100-day moving average, which is a really bullish sign. As you can see over here, holds support, and this is basically a double bottom in a way. If you actually look at it, even it's almost a double bottom. Like I said in previous, there we go. Like I've said in previous videos, you know, things don't always have to be completely 100% perfect when you're doing it, but it's almost a double bottom, and it's holding support. You know, even though it's not holding support necessarily at this trend line, it's holding support at the 100-day moving average. So right here, it doesn't break through, and right here, it doesn't really break through. Again, yes, there's those tiny wicks, but the majority of that action, of that volume on that day, of that, you know, of the buying and selling of that day did not break through. So that's another really good sign that we're holding a lot of support at the 100-day moving average. And on the DMI, we have a lot of really good signs there, where the green line is going above the red line, and the black line also is not going too high, because if it goes too high, it typically indicates a very similar sign as it would on RSI. So this is Binance Coin. This is in no way a sponsored video. I have no affiliation with Binance. But I did want to just throw this out there because I think it's a really good outlook right now. Let me just also pull up Bollinger Bands to see where we are right there. Bollinger Bands. And yeah, this could have also been a good trade if you were using Bollinger Bands, because you could have gotten the breakthrough like I've taught before on previous videos. You could have gotten in right over here if you were using Bollinger Bands, because again, that's one of the signals when a red candlestick breaks through the Bollinger Band, and you could have rode this, you could have really rode this rally all the way up to here. Okay, so that could have been a really good profit if you've been using your technical indicators properly, like I teach on the channel. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you leave a like, make sure you share this video, share it everywhere. I don't want to call this a buying opportunity. I don't want to call it, you know, whatever, but it is just a signal that things with Binance Coin are looking pretty good. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, again, I already went through everything, but it really helps me out a ton, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.